Our journey through Malaysia continues. Today, we leave the city floor behind and ascend into the mystical highlands and ancient limestone peaks. First, we arrive at the threshold of the heavens, the Batu Caves. This 400 million-year-old limestone hill is the soul of spiritual Malaysia. Climbing the 272 vibrant rainbow steps is a rite of passage, a kaleidoscopic path leading to the sacred cathedral cave. Inside, the scale is humbling. Nature and faith converge in these vast light-filled caverns. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. From the heat of the plains, we travel north to the cool emerald embrace of the Cameron Highlands. This is Malaysia's premier hill station. The rolling tea estates here have been the heartbeat of this region for nearly a century, producing some of the world's finest tea. Higher still lies the mossy forest, a prehistoric cloud forest where every branch is draped in mist and mystery. Beyond the tea, the fertile soil provides a bounty of strawberries and exotic blooms, a true garden in the sky. As evening approaches, the highlands transform into a serene landscape of golden light and cool mountain air. Our next ascent takes us to the peak of Gunung Ulu Kali, where a modern city of entertainment awaits above the clouds. The Awana Skyway offers a breathtaking journey, transporting us from the jungle floor to the summit in minutes. Welcome to Genting Highlands, a high-altitude playground featuring world-class resorts, casinos, and theme parks. Even when the mist rolls in, the energy never fades. Skytropolis provides a weatherproof world of neon lights and thrills. Outside, the newly opened Sky Worlds brings movie-inspired magic to the peak, set against the backdrop of the rugged mountains. But even here, you can find peace. The Chinsui Caves Temple offers a moment of reflection with an incredible view of the abyss below. At night, Genting becomes a literal city in the clouds, a beacon of light visible for miles across the peninsula. The cool weather makes for perfect dining. From steaming hot pots to local treats, the highland flavors are unforgettable. Returning to our spiritual roots, every statue at Batu Caves tells an epic story from ancient lore. It's this balance of vibrant human culture and the raw power of nature that makes the Malaysian highlands so special. We've climbed the rainbow stairs, wandered the emerald hills, and touched the clouds at the summit. Our highland adventure is complete, but the tour isn't over. In part 3, we head to the coast to explore Malaysia's paradise islands and hidden beaches. See you there. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.